Are you applying to hundreds of data jobs without getting into interviews or been on the job hunt for over 6 months? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you're struggling and then how you can overcome those challenges. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ian. I'm a self-taught data analyst. This is a place where we explore tools, strategies, and tech to help you level up your skills, whether you're aiming to become a data analyst or just exploring it. Now, there are three main reasons why people are having a hard time to break into data. Reason number one, flooded applications. The job market sucks, plain and simple. Every single job you see has hundreds, if not thousands, before you even start your application or send in your resume. Then you rinse and repeat only to go complain on LinkedIn. This is the method that 99% of people do. Let's talk about three ways we could be in that 1%. The first thing you can do is simple. Just apply to the most recent job. Do this in the morning, lunch break, or after work, literally whenever you have a free moment, because you never know when that job's going to be posted and you want to be one of the earliest people to apply for that job. Number two, find recruiters. Now this one takes a little bit of time, but majority of people are not going that extra mile. Find recruiters by going to that company's page and typing in recruiter. I don't just connect with one, I connect with all of them. Now, since LinkedIn limits how many connection requests where you can add a message to, we're gonna go ahead and record these all in a spreadsheet, so when they accept, you can reach out to them. Now here's a bonus tip. Add a line in your message saying, if this is not the job listing you are handling, could you direct me to that person? This simple line gets you in connection with the exact person you need to talk to. Third, use LinkedIn like a search engine. Simply type in data analyst or hiring data analyst at the top, sort by most recent and sort by post. Scroll through all the spam until you see a post that looks legit. Here's an example of one. Now what we're gonna do is connect with them immediately, send them a message as soon as they accept it. This is the exact person you need to reach out to. Maybe even look up their email, try to reach out to them outside of LinkedIn. You need to do everything you can to talk to this person. And then you're gonna wanna do this throughout the day because, like again, you never know when they're gonna post. Reason number two, a bad LinkedIn profile. I couldn't tell you how many people come to me for help and I go to their LinkedIn profile and their page is blank, or it's AI generated or just plain bad. This is such an underrated hack to get more recruiter calls. First, take a good picture. It's not that hard and it doesn't need to be done by a professional. I did mine in my backyard with my smartphone, had my wife do it on a nice sunny day, and then we edited that in Canva. You could also put on a nice shirt, put on a nice smile. It's baffling to me that people don't do this. Second, optimize your banner. This is one of the first things people see on your profile. Why not use it to your advantage? All you have to do is head over to Canva, use a template, and maybe list out the skills that you have, like SQL, Excel, or Tableau, or take it the extra mile and take another picture of yourself pointing down, saying, hey, check out my portfolio. You want to use it as a CTA or a call to action and tell people where to go. Third, links and your featured section. So you're gonna wanna put your portfolio in your link. So you can add a link by going to these options right here and then putting in wherever you're hosting your portfolio. It could be a Tableau dashboard, it could be a self-hosted one or one on Maven Analytics. You also wanna turn on your featured section by going here. After that, you can put in your portfolio here as well because you can never have too many places. The last part about your profile is your About Me section. Here's where you can give a little insights of who you are as a person. Put in your keywords of the tools you use. Personally, I use ChatGPT to give me a baseline of what I should add in there. And then I use my own experiences and kind of fill in the blanks. Reason number three, a bad resume. And when I mean bad, I'm not saying that they're too awful, it's just plain and boring. So the first thing we can do is to make it stand out by adding a little bit of color, or even throw in a pie chart like I did. Second, make it easy to read. Cut out all those fluffy words that you use to kind of make it look more bulky. Now, a simple hack is just to use what you used on your LinkedIn profile and put it here on your resume. Your strategy here isn't worrying about ATS or anything like that. Your strategy should be reaching out to the right people so you could talk to them one-on-one. And third, keep it short. Keep it to 1 or 1.5 pages at max. I know it's a little difficult to do that, but if you can shorten that as best as you can, there's more chances that that recruiter or hiring manager will actually go through your whole resume. They have hundreds of resumes and they simply don't have time to go through everything. So guys, that was the three main reasons why people struggle to get into data. So to learn more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And make sure to check out this video where I talk specifically about habits to become a data analyst. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.